always have a mixed group of folks coming in to study anything from birds to plants, snakes, frogs. This particular trip we're setting up camera traps for jaguar and other cats. We have 5 species of cat on the property. We founded the reserve in 2000 after bringing some high school students into the rainforest to assist with another reserve, and we were fortuitous enough to come upon a jaguar, and we realized that a lot of this forest was about to be cut down, and the students rallied and said, no, we've got to save this forest. So we were able to purchase a small piece, and that was the beginning of the Aula Global Reserve. Now we have a sizable reserve, over 700 acres. It's connected to other biological reserves, and it's a fantastic biological corridor. We have umbrella birds, we have three-wattle bellbirds, we've got cats. So it's been a fantastic journey to see how many of these species that were not here when we purchased the land, now that it's coming into secondary forest, we do have a lot of primary, and because it's been protected, we have a number of species back on the property. And we just had a really wonderful encounter with a puma a few days ago. We saw a young male making a scent post, scratching a tree and spraying with urine, which is always a good sighting.
The main project that we're working on here is to try to get a census of what cat populations we have on our reserve.
And so what we've been doing is taking these different angles to try to monitor the big cat populations and see what types we can identify, where they're hanging out, and really what's present here on the reserve. Right now we are taking a plaster cast of some tracks that we found in a track pad that we made down by the river. We chose this spot because it's a great intersection of human paths, which the animals love to use, and animal paths to get to and from the river.
So one of the activities we've been doing here at the reserve is setting live camera traps to try and find what type of mammals and other wildlife are found here. This log here creates a good natural bridge for wildlife to be able to cross the banks. We set it up here too because just yesterday we found a hare, we believe from a puma, stuck in the moss, and as you can see here, there's no plants growing on the top of the log, so that shows that there's been some recent activity about wildlife coming down here. Hopefully we'll catch a big cat on camera.
We have seen jaguar, puma, ocelot, and margay on our reserve, but we really want to get an idea of how large the populations are, what their movements are like, and where exactly, specifically on the reserve, they're located.
We can photo ID each cat on the property by their spot patterns and other markings, and we will be able to share that data with other reserves, and we'll be able to find out if these cats are moving, are they local, are they transient.
This volunteer opportunity we offer for anybody. We really value variety. We understand that everybody has different experiences, different skill sets, and we really truly believe that everybody can offer something to this project.
This virgin forest is really ideal for studying a lot of the flora that has not been intensively examined, so to speak. It's got a multitude of opportunities for students of all backgrounds, whether you're a grad student or undergrad, to come out here and sample whatever you're looking to learn more about.
We climb into the canopy and we collect orchids, epiphytes. Many plant species grow up in the trees in the canopy, and as typical with most rainforests, you do have a lot of vegetation that's up high in the canopy.
Colin is a man that would benefit everybody to meet. They say that your experiences truly shape who you are, and he is someone who has had some incredible experiences. I feel thankful just to have heard some of his stories and get his perspective on the world. He's pretty incredible.